law enforcement support missions as well as medevac missions. So we're a dual mission provider. We were actually the first dual mission provider in the 429 in the world. We fly the aircraft with 3 crew members, a pilot and 2 sworn officer TFO/paramedics. The 429 is fantastic for that because we have the twin engine reliability of the airframe. Fairfax County has got urban, rural, and suburban, so we have everything. My name's Andrew Egerton. I'm the Chief Pilot with the Fairfax County Police Helicopter Division. All of our work is scene medevac work, so it's unimproved landing zones with obstacles. So the performance of the 429 is invaluable for us. Being that we were the very first operator of the 429 in the world with the multi-mission role that we have of law enforcement and HEMS, there were no interiors that existed that suited our needs, so we had to come up with something on our own. More options came available, and we elected to go with the lightest solution out there, which was Aerolite. Weight is everything. So Aerolite solution being very lightweight and a tight, small package was crucial to us. It's a very simple solution. Most of what we do are all scene medevac work versus inter-facility transport. The simplicity of that system is crucial to us. The 429 is such a great aircraft. It's a true pilot's aircraft. I've flown other manufacturers, I've flown other airframes. The emergency procedures are very simple. We get excellent training down at the Bell Helicopter Training Academy. We send our pilots down there every year for recurrent school, and we send all of our new pilots down there for initial school. It's a big aircraft, twin engine, but it still flies like a sports car. It's very nimble. We're able to maneuver around during vehicle pursuits. However, when that vehicle pursuit changes to a HEMS mission, we're able to go. Really, really enjoyable to fly. Simple and easy. We've been flying Bell products for 40 years. The support we get from Bell on a continuing day-to-day basis is fantastic. It allows us to focus on our mission versus focusing on problems and issues that you can see with other manufacturers. We don't have any issues with parts problems. When we're in the 429 overhead, we are supporting our officers on the ground. We're a force multiplier. So our ability to use our camera system to go set up perimeters, to search areas. We do a lot of looking for missing critical folks, whether that's juvenile, someone that's of age that's got dementia problem. We've got the ability to search vast areas with our camera system and visually outside the aircraft. One of our key pieces that we can do is, obviously we can find people, but we can also search and show where people are not. That's a huge asset of time. So we can cover a rather large area. That way officers can go back. You know, there's a limited resource of how many officers are on the ground. So that force multiplier piece that we have is excellent as far as time. We are literally above the best. Our officers in Fairfax County are the best, most dedicated people in the country. It's an honor for me to be above the best. We love doing what we do, supporting our folks on the ground. That's what we live for. That's why we run out the door and go do this job.